In this video, I'm going to show you a really streamlined way to handle a podcast so you can stop spending forever on boring admin work and get back to the parts of your business that actually move the needle. Whether you run everything solo or you have a small team, I promise you will take at least one idea from this that shaves hours off your week, or better yet, automates the whole thing. Stick around to the end, and I will also show you how we promote episodes across socials without losing our minds. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Jerry Potter, and today we are walking through planning, recording, editing, publishing, and promoting a podcast in a way that actually scales. The setup I'm about to show you started because I was tired of repeating the same tedious steps for every single episode, and now it is mostly push button. First up is booking guests, which is a core part of our show. So I use a calendar booking link that asks the guest to pick a time and answer a few short prep questions. Those guest answers are gold because they flow automatically into our project board and become the basis of the episode plan and script. A quick pro tip is to always require guests to use a wired microphone because sound quality truly matters. If they don't have one, we figure it out before the session because a bad mic turns a great conversation into a painful listen. I automate most of this with Zapier, where the booking form feeds into our task manager, creates a recording session, and emails the guest the joining link automatically. No manual copying or missed steps involved, and it also dumps their answers right into a document template that we use to generate scripts. That alone saves me hours per episode, which brings us to the recording phase. I use a remote recorder that captures each participant locally, so if someone's Wi-Fi blips, it does not wreck the file. Tools like Squadcast or Riverside do that really well, though they do handle multi-track uploads, which is huge for editing later. Before we hit record, I double-check mic and camera selections and make sure the guest knows to use headphones if possible. Small prep equals fewer fixes later, and if you are recording video, try to use a decent camera to make repurposing clips much easier. Once the files are uploaded to the cloud, here is where people split, with some going to traditional editors and others using transcript-based tools. I used to live in timeline editors until I discovered smarter workflows that let you edit by just working from the transcript. Tools like Descript are popular because they transcribe everything and let you literally delete text to cut the audio and video. But Descript isn't perfect for everything, and if you want dozens of clips for social, you still have to manually comb through and choose the highlights. This is where Vizard changes the game for us, because instead of hunting for snippets, its auto-editing finds the viral parts for you. It scans the long episode and pulls out the moments that are most likely to perform as short-form clips based on punchlines and engagement. From a single episode, it can create a bunch of ready-to-post assets, which is a massive time saver. Then there is scheduling, where other tools might let you export clips, but you are often left manually uploading and scheduling them everywhere. Opus Clip does a decent job converting formats, but many creators find themselves constantly toggling back to tweak styles or captions. Vizard blends both speed and control because it not only auto-edits, but also has an auto-schedule feature. Tell it how often you want to post, and it will queue the clips for you across platforms, effectively managing your whole content calendar. That 1-2 punch of a smart clip selection and built-in scheduling is what makes it feel like actual delegation rather than just automation. Back to editing. When I open a clip in Vizard, I can quickly tweak the start and end times or change the aspect ratio for different platforms. If a clip needs a tiny polish, you can do it right there, which avoids that annoying export and import back and forth. Publishing the long-form episode is still important, so we upload our full file to a hosting service to generate the RSS feed for platforms. Remember those prep answers your guest filled out earlier? You can use that information to auto-generate descriptions and episode notes with templates. For YouTube, we publish the full video episode and link to other episodes in the end screens, which always helps with watch time. But the real growth comes from the short clips, because using native uploads gives the algorithm something optimized to push to new audiences. Let me be honest about other tools. Descript is revolutionary for editing, but it doesn't replace a tool that finds viral snippets for you. Vizard sits in the sweet spot, bridging the gap from raw episode to a multi-platform content plan without you having to babysit every step. If you want to fully automate the admin, connect your booking tool to your project board in Vizard with a zap that creates a project and uploads the recording. Set your default clip lengths and posting cadence once, then let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on the creative side. Promoting smartly means planning how you will repurpose while you are recording. So lead the conversation with bite-sized moments and quick takeaways. Also, always export caption verticals, because captions are non-negotiable for scroll-stopping attention in today's feeds. Building the first episode's pipeline takes work, but once you have that flow, you are looking at a system that turns one conversation into weeks of content. If any of this helped, drop a like or share this with someone else grinding on their podcast, and tell me in the comments what you want to automate. If you want to poke around Vizard, check out their site to see how easy it is to try the autoclip and scheduling workflow yourself. That is the full walkthrough on planning, recording, editing, publishing, and promoting without losing your weekend to manual uploads. Thanks for watching. I hope you steal at least one idea, and I will see you in the next one.